You've got this.
Hi friends, and welcome back to You've Got This. Today I want to show you a hair hack that I use almost every day. So I just blow dried my hair and it looks pretty good, but I don't want to have to flat iron the whole thing. I don't want to have to go through the work and the time, and I also don't want to put my hair through all of that extra heat when I don't have to. So in under a minute, I'm going to show you how to get the nice polished look without really going through the effort. So right here by my face is where everybody is going to see first. It's where really the waves that I have in my hair want to pop out even when I blow dry it. So all I have to do is this. You're gonna take a thin strip, 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick, all the way along your face. Pull that out nice and straight so it's smooth without kinks. And then take your flat iron, clip it right at the base and give it a nice arc, gentle arc toward your face. We're going to do that in a couple of strips. So we have one strip done, same thing right behind it. Gentle arc towards your face. This will work if you're going away from your face also. It will give it a different look, but also very pretty. Today we're going towards the face. I'm going to do a 3rd strip today, and I think that 3 is all we're going to need. Arc towards the face. Boom. The difference between pretty nice and polished in just a few seconds. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. 1/4 to 1/2 inch strip. Flat iron arc towards my face. Again. And one more. Ta-da! Polished and pretty.
You've got this.